Do you have a smartphone with an IP water and dust resistance rating? Well, how about adding a bit more protection, or alternatively giving your non-waterproof smartphone some proper splash protection? If you have any intention of going in or near water soon, then you should take a look at our channel sponsor CaliCase, which is a handy waterproof pouch designed to fully protect your phone when near or in the water. Thanks for watching 9to5Google on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe and enable notifications with the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. While an IP68 rating alone is great for fresh water, it actually doesn't cover you fully when used in salt water. CaliCase properly seals your device, meaning you can even take your smartphone photography underwater, IP68 rating or not. Made from thick, durable and importantly clear PVC plastic, the dual-layered structure gives you confidence that even non-waterproof smartphones are safe from water damage. The magnetic seal and latch also ensures that your valuables are securely sealed inside, safe from the weather and the water. The window at the rear also means that you can take photos and record videos with no issues, while the front-facing window allows you to use your phone without getting the display wet and without any hindrance. The soft cushion design also means that you've even got better overall drop protection, while it also protects your smartphone from contact with germs and bacteria. Even if you're not headed to the beach or by the pool, the handy strap also means heading out for a rainy run is no issue, as your phone stays safe and dry. Clip onto a carabiner and you have peace of mind no matter the weather conditions. Each CaliCase is IPX8 water and dust rated, which means that when your phone is placed inside, it can withstand up to 100 feet of water pressure. Worried about your phone sinking? Well, don't be, as the CaliCase includes a foam enclosure that allows the case to float so that you can worry less about your smartphone sinking. The CaliCase is available in 15 different stylish colours so that you can match your smartphone design, and for a limited time our subscribers can grab 20% off a CaliCase if they use the code 9to5Google at checkout. And thank you again to CaliCase for sponsoring 9to5Google here on YouTube.